I'm Danielle Flood, and I was born in Saigon when it was part of French Indochina. People were speaking French there, and I came to the United States when I was a little girl, and I spoke Chinese because I had a Chinese ama. And I grew up mostly in New York or in boarding schools in Long Island and Dublin, Ireland, and Catholic girls' schools, parochial schools, St. Vincent Ferrer High School at 65th and Lexington on Manhattan. I went to Fordham and Columbia School of Journalism, and I was a beat reporter for Westchester Rockland newspapers and a bunch of, actually 5 newspapers. I was a staff writer and freelance for the New York Times, 6 sections of the New York Times for two years or so, and the Daily News Sunday magazine, and then I went fishing for almost 5 years, and I became a fishing boat captain. I stopped being a journalist to find out what life was like without being always interviewing people and seeing people as a potential story. I just wanted to see what people were like when I wasn't interviewing them, and how they would whether they would like me if I wasn't just a journalist. And I found out that they did, so it's nice. And I'm a mom and a wife of Jim Moran, the editorial cartoonist for the Miami Herald, and he's syndicated internationally, and I have a beautiful daughter and a beautiful son, and it's the best job in the world. Most important thing I've ever done has been have this family and have these children.